What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Brandon and this is All Things Bearded. Now usually I do a full blown out review for a video, but in today's video I wanted to switch it up, just showcase 4 items I think beardsmen really need to check out. 2 of them I feel are really a necessity. I think these items are really interesting, they're fun, they're unique, and I think they are coming up more on beard websites. So let's go ahead and dive in. So all the items in today's video are from Educated Beards. I had all these items before I even thought about the idea for this video, so they're just all gonna be linked in the description down below. But I've seen a lot of companies come up with these items, so check out your favorite company, they might have them available. Now the first item I have is a little bit of a touchy subject for most men. I can hear the chatter already going off in the comment section. Now it is candles. Candles are becoming a big deal within the bearded community. Listen, if you guys want your beard to smell good, why wouldn't you want your house to smell good? Let's just really think about it like that. So the candle I have from Educated Beard is called Balsam Fir. This is a sweet, earthy note of a candle. Really goes after a mustache wax scent that they have. I love pine, I love the outdoors. So a candle, mandel, however you want to go about saying it, I think is a great idea for guys to have. It really does help your house smell great. Maybe your wife or your significant other will love it as well. And just to show you that this isn't really just for show, I'm gonna go ahead and light it for the remainder of this video. We will light this bad boy up. There we go. It is gonna be smelling fantastic in this room, studio, whatever you want to call it. But a candle. Check out your beard company of choice, see if they have a candle available, maybe in a scent profile that you like. I think that is something worth looking into. So the next 2 items I have, you guys, I really do feel are essential for any beardsman regardless of your beard hair length. The first one is going to be a boar's hair bristle brush. Say that 5 times fast, get back to me, boar's hair bristle brush. Whoever came up with that name, wow, thank you for that. But these are fantastic brushes, you guys. They do a great job of exfoliating your skin underneath your beard hair. Also, when you do have your beard style, go over it a couple times lightly with one of these. It really does help lock that style into place. I personally love this one because it has a handle on it. It's just easier for me to use. They do have some travel size miniature ones on websites as well. So check out your favorite beard company. See if there is a boar's hair bristle brush on that website. If you don't have one already, pick one up. Now another item I feel is a necessity for any beardsman is going to be a good pair of beard scissors. Now when you're checking these out, just make sure that they are well built, they're sharp. Most companies do a great job of having high quality scissors out there. This pair that I have from Educated Beards, I don't have any problems with it. It does a great job of really doing a precision job on which hairs I want to cut off. I don't have to worry about snagging my beard hairs. It does a great job for mustache trims, and also has this rubberized coating around the finger holes, so I know that's not going to slip out of my hands when I'm using it. So it's a great job. But just check out your beard scissors from any company that you can find. Make sure it's a high quality, get it, and make sure that you can maintain and take care of that beard the way you should. And the last item that I really want to go over, you guys, I'm seeing them come up a lot more these days, and they are mugs. Now this mug that I have is a pottery mug. I'm seeing them pop up on a couple websites as well. I just love the pottery mug. It's like a one-of-a-kind feature, dishwasher safe of course, but these pottery mugs are having mustache guards put on them. So when you're sipping your cold brews, your teas, your coffees, whatever you're wanting, it really does protect anything from getting on that stash. It's really great. My stash isn't so big that I really need it, but it's a great feature to have. So pottery mugs, if you can find that from your favorite beard company, it's a great option to look into. And if you are curious on what coffee I do like, I'm a huge fan of Black Rifle Coffee Company. If you haven't tried them, they are in the US, they're veteran owned. Fantastic job on coffee, just amazing coffee. So check them out if you haven't already. I think that does conclude today's episode. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.